Getting the butterfly to help you in Once Human is a crucial aspect of the game that can greatly aid you in your progress. To achieve this, follow these steps. First, you need to locate the butterfly, which can be found in various locations throughout the game world. The butterfly is a unique creature that has the ability to guide you and provide assistance in certain situations. Once you have located the butterfly, approach it and interact with it to initiate a conversation. During the conversation, you will be given the option to befriend the butterfly, which will require you to complete a task or provide it with a specific item. To befriend the butterfly, you will need to complete the task or provide the required item, which can be obtained by exploring the game world or completing specific quests. Once you have completed the task or provided the item, the butterfly will become your ally and will begin to aid you in your journey. The butterfly's assistance can take many forms, including guiding you through the game world, providing you with information about hidden paths and secret areas, and even helping you in combat situations. To get the most out of the butterfly's assistance, it is essential to keep it happy and healthy by providing it with food and other items that it requires. In addition to befriending the butterfly, you can also upgrade its abilities by providing it with specific items or completing certain tasks. Upgrading the butterfly's abilities will allow it to provide more significant assistance and will also unlock new abilities that can aid you in your progress. Overall, getting the butterfly to help you in Once Human can be a highly rewarding experience that can greatly aid you in your journey. By following these steps and providing the butterfly with the care and attention it requires, you can unlock its full potential and gain a valuable ally that will help you overcome the challenges that the game has to offer.